Hey, what's up everyone? So we're Alter Tech back again with a new video. In today's video, if you're thinking about upgrading to Oxygen OS 12, you might want to take a look at this whole video. So, let's just go ahead and just dive into this real quick. I'm not even going to throw the intro for this. So, yesterday, it's been about 24 hours since I've had Oxygen OS 12. And as you guys can see right now, I have a new wallpaper, new icons and whatever. And that's because I did a full factory reset. And the reason for that is because when I was coming from Oxygen OS 11 into Oxygen OS 12 / Color OS 12, it was like stuck in a mid transformation. It was like a human turning into a werewolf, and it just got stuck halfway. Felt like doing a full reset would actually give me the full transformation. So right now, I guess I have now the full transformation. This is a huge upgrade. So from the coding and everything, from the groundwork going up, I guess it was a huge overhaul. So far, I guess it should be all right? I still think that this needs like a few updates here and there. But for the most part, guys, I did some meditation before I decided to make this video. I didn't want to go Hulk on this, so I'm just gonna talk about the positives. If you guys feel me on that. The positives is that the camera app, we have a ton of new features. All right, we can shoot in RAW with all 3 lenses. That's something I was really impressed by with Samsung, and that update for Samsung was coming in, and then I guess OnePlus was like, oh, Alter Tech, you like to shoot in RAW? All right, I'm gonna give it to you right now. So they shot me this update, Android 12. And I got my wish. We got AI scene enhancer right here. This thing is just going to keep getting smarter and smarter down the line. But anyways, guys, Oxygen OS 12 so far. Oxygen OS 12. I keep saying Color OS or Oxygen OS. I'm not exactly sure what to call it. If next year, if they call it Color OS 13, I'd be fine with it, man. Unless they could come up with an update and just throw some oxygen paint on it. But anyways, guys, it's more about the features on this. And the thing I do like about this is the privacy. I think that's a good spot for OnePlus to attack on if they're trying to get more fans or sell more phones. Privacy is a huge selling point nowadays. For this app drawer, like I've said, I gotta get used to it. I know before this phone was just blazing fast. I feel like it had a mind of its own today. Listen, I know like the tech community out there, you guys have your pitchforks and you guys want to have the best thing, and if the company fails to reach your bar, you guys basically flame it down until it's dead. We've seen HTC die, we've seen LG gone, and we've seen so many other cool brands just up and gone. So OnePlus is it's like the last rare unicorn. So, with OnePlus as well, my last video, I said release Color OS once you guys are just, once everything is polished. Hopefully down the line, this phone continues to just, work all right. I have to get used to this new Color OS. I was getting used to it. I was starting to like it today until it just went. OnePlus, you just gotta look at it for what it is. It's one of the last third options we have. I don't think maybe Motorola's there, but this is the best third option next to the Pixel and Samsung. So they're an underdog, and I'm always rooting for the underdog. So with the OnePlus, man, it's going to get better over time, but how better, I'm not exactly sure. I'm excited for the cameras for sure. Anyways, guys, this is Alter Tech signing out. Once I feel that it's time for you guys to upgrade and everything's like really good and I'm content with it, I'll make another video and I'll tell you guys, make an announcement, maybe like with a post or something. I just want to test out these cameras and just show off the RAW feature. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a great, wonderful day. Take care. Peace.